Today we'll be unboxing the 2200 watt landwheel L3A. Let's get started. Take up these notches. Open the box, greeted here with a nice poster. Set that to the side. It's out. Here you'll see the landwheel. Landwheel weighs around a little bit over 15 pounds. Has two 1100 watt hub motors, each is 1100 watt. The drive is removable, so if anything happens in the future, you're free to exchange that. Have some literature here. Please make sure to read this before your ride. It's always a good read. First layer here, we have the AC adapter, charger. We have a micro USB cable and your remote. Remote has a forward, brake, fast and low setting, forward and reverse. Here you'll see your board battery and your remote battery. Bottom layer you'll see your 36 volt battery and your replaceable PU wheels with reinforced aluminum in the inside. Very nice snug fit into the hub motor. And you get a skate tool to charge your battery. Very simple, just go in here and make sure that's nice and snug. Plug this end to the back right here, and you plug this end to the wall. AC adapters have a little LED light right here. Pink and red means it's charging, and green means you're good for a ride. You put that back. That should be everything you guys find in your landwheel box. Please comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.